Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to make spaghetti and meat sauce. I already have the meat that I have browned and drained all of the grease off of. I have cooked my spaghetti noodles. You cook those according to package directions. So I'm going to add Prego. This is sausage and garlic. If you buy Prego, this is the best sauce, hands down. If you try this one, you'll thank me later. For the sake of the video, I have dumped all of my ingredients into this bowl. That will be in the comments. And it is garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, a little bit of accent, and sugar. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of vinegar. And then the salt we will hold off till the end just to see if we need it. So I'm going to mix all this up. And we're going to let it simmer. If you like Italian seasoning, you can add them. So this is basically a 10-minute meal for us tonight. And I'm not going to add any in there. You can add Italian sausage. You can use ground turkey. I have ground beef. Add whatever you like. Make it your own. You can add mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, anything you like. But we're going to let this simmer. And after it's simmered for about 10 minutes, we'll taste it and we'll adjust the seasonings at that time. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 10 minutes. And I tasted it, and it needed just a little bit of salt. I put about a teaspoon of Tony's. If you don't like spice, use regular salt, or you could adjust the beef base. Just taste it and make it your own. If you don't like sugar or accent, don't add it. So at this time, like if you wanted to mix your noodles all together, you could put it in a bigger pot and combine it. I like mine separate, so I never mix them together. But this is how we're going to do this one, and it's very easy. It's a quick meal. And again, you can add any meat you want, any vegetables you'd like, or any seasonings for that matter. But here you go. Easy spaghetti and meat sauce. Spaghetti and meat sauce, y'all. I added shredded cheese on top of this.